who ordered the NBI last Monday go to the Senate and arrest Senator Bato?
Cannot say, Ms. Karen, no, the specific
Hello mga kamanay, na po din inyong manay Gina of this time. Na po tayo video nga i-share guys kay atong tanawon. Paminawon na itong maayo ha kung unsay gipamutanan ni Karen Davila sa spokesperson ng Department of Justice. Diara.
Sino ang nag-utos sa NBI arrest Bato last Monday? It's not interrogatory, it's just a clarificatory question for my understanding as a journalist. Who ordered the NBI last Monday go to the Senate and arrest Senator Bato?
cannot say, Ms. Karen, no, the specific directive to enforce the warrant. We don't know, at least not yet.
How
Because
could you not know the NBI is under the DOJ? So did the DOJ order the NBI serve the warrant? If you did, there would be nothing wrong with that. I just want to know the timeline and the chain of command.
I can't say for certain what the chain of command was, Ms. Karen. You'll have to forgive me for that matter. Okay, but we do know that there was
But
coordination.
you are the spokesperson of the Justice Department. Forgive me, sir. I don't mean to be rude. How could you not know a simple chain of command on who ordered the NBI to serve the warrant? You are speaking to a journalist now on live TV about the ICC arrest warrant. So who ordered, which agency ordered the NBI serve the warrant to Senator Bato on Monday?
The specific directive, Ms. Karen, I really can't say. No,
Okay.
Oh, di ba? Pagpangutanan ni Miss Karen sa iya ha, dili niya masulti kung kinsa gyud ang nag-order nga arestuhin si Bato de la Rosa tung first day pa lang nga naghabulan no nga nidagan si Senator Bato sa hagdanan. So nganong dili man masulti? Nga simple ra man ang takay pangutana kinsa ang nag-order no nga i-serve ang warrant of arrest kay Senator Bato de la Rosa. Pero tanawa dili niya matubag. So alam na dis. Di ba? Opinion na nako ha. Kaya di biya puta abogada. No, tama na daghan na ba may mga lawyer nga diri sa social media kay nagmamagaling. Ang daming talino. Akala mo mga abogado, o di ba? So di ta. Kaya na magana guys. Ni base ra ta sa atong nadungog, sa ato ang nakita, no? So mao na. Kamo unsa man yung opinion na o tanawa dili siya katubag. Siya ang spokesperson ng DOJ pero dili niya matubag. Comments down below.